Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a topic that might surprise you: the connection between sleep apnea and growth hormone levels. Before we get into the details, let's discuss why the growth hormone is vital for our overall health and development. Growth hormone plays a crucial role in cell growth, regeneration, and reproduction, making it essential for our bodies to function optimally. Sleep apnea is a common sleep disorder affecting millions worldwide. It impacts various aspects of health and well-being. One significant impact of sleep apnea is its effect on growth hormone levels in the body, particularly human growth hormone, HGH. This section will explore the relationship between sleep apnea, growth hormone levels, and snoring. Sleep apnea is crucial in disrupting the body's natural production of growth hormones essential for growth, development, and repair processes. The pituitary gland produces growth hormone and plays a vital role in stimulating growth in children and maintaining healthy tissues and organs in adults. During deep sleep, the body typically releases higher growth hormone levels, aiding tissue repair, muscle growth, and rejuvenation. However, individuals with sleep apnea often experience interruptions in their sleep patterns, leading to decreased growth hormone production and potential disruptions in these essential processes. Human growth hormone is crucial for various bodily functions, including cell regeneration, metabolism, and the immune system, with hormone and snoring support. Low growth hormone levels due to sleep apnea can result in decreased muscle mass, impaired cognitive function, and delayed wound healing. Therefore, addressing sleep apnea and improving sleep quality is essential for maintaining optimal growth hormone levels and supporting overall health and well-being. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Snoring is a common symptom of sleep apnea, characterized by noisy breathing during sleep due to obstructed airways. Snoring can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to fragmented sleep and decreased oxygen levels in the body. Chronic snoring may indicate an underlying sleep disorder like sleep apnea, which can further impact growth hormone levels and overall health. Identifying and addressing the root cause of snoring, such as sleep apnea, is crucial for improving sleep quality, restoring growth hormone levels, and promoting better health outcomes. Sleep apnea is a prevalent sleep disorder characterized by pauses in breathing or shallow breathing during sleep. It can lead to disrupted sleep patterns and potential health complications. There are two main types of sleep apnea: obstructive sleep apnea, OSA, and central sleep apnea, CSA. OSA occurs when the throat muscles relax and block the airway, while CSA occurs when the brain fails to send proper signals to breathing muscles. Common sleep apnea symptoms include loud snoring, gasping for air during sleep, morning headaches, dry mouth, and daytime fatigue. Due to poor sleep quality and oxygen deprivation during the night, individuals with sleep apnea may also experience irritability, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings. One significant effect of sleep apnea is its impact on growth hormone levels in the body. During deep sleep, the body typically releases higher growth hormone levels, essential for various physiological processes. However, individuals with sleep apnea often experience fragmented sleep and interruptions in breathing, leading to decreased growth hormone production. Sleep apnea disrupts the regular release of growth hormone during sleep by interfering with the body's natural sleep cycles. The frequent pauses in breathing and oxygen desaturation associated with sleep apnea can trigger stress responses in the body, leading to hormonal imbalances and decreased growth hormone secretion. As a result, individuals with untreated sleep apnea may experience lower levels of growth hormone, impacting their overall health and well-being. Addressing sleep apnea through lifestyle modifications, continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP, therapy, or other treatment options is crucial for restoring standard sleep patterns, improving growth hormone levels, and promoting better health outcomes. By recognizing the causes and symptoms of sleep apnea and understanding its effects on growth hormone levels, individuals can take proactive steps to manage their condition and enhance their overall quality of life. The relationship between sleep apnea and altered growth hormone levels in the body is critical to understanding the potential health implications of this sleep disorder. Sleep apnea can significantly impact the production and release of growth hormones, vital in various physiological processes. Sleep apnea can lead to decreased growth hormone production due to disruptions in the body's natural sleep cycles. During deep sleep, the pituitary gland typically releases higher growth hormone levels, supporting growth, repair, and regeneration. However, Individuals with sleep apnea often experience fragmented sleep, frequent awakenings, and interruptions in breathing, which can hinder the normal secretion of growth hormone. Growth hormone is essential for muscle growth, bone density, and overall health. In muscle tissue, growth hormones stimulate protein synthesis and cell growth, contributing to muscle repair and growth. Additionally, growth hormones play a crucial role in maintaining bone density by promoting bone formation and mineralization. Beyond its effects on musculoskeletal health, growth hormones also influence metabolism, immune function, and tissue repair throughout the body. The potential long-term consequences of untreated sleep apnea on growth hormone levels can have profound effects on overall health and well-being. Chronic disruptions in growth hormone production due to sleep apnea may lead to muscle wasting, decreased bone density, impaired immune function, and delayed wound healing. Additionally, low levels of growth hormone can contribute to metabolic imbalances, weight gain, and increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Addressing sleep apnea through lifestyle modifications, CPAP therapy, or other interventions can help restore normal growth hormone levels and support optimal health outcomes. Human growth hormone, HGH, is a vital hormone produced by the pituitary gland that plays a crucial role in various physiological processes essential for growth, development, and overall health. HGH stimulates growth in children and adolescents and supports tissue repair, metabolism, and immune function in adults. HGH is produced and released by the pituitary gland, a pea-sized gland located at the base of the brain. Complex feedback mechanisms involving the hypothalamus and other hormones regulate HGH production. HGH is typically released in pulses throughout the day, with the highest levels occurring during deep sleep stages, particularly during the first few hours of sleep. One of HGH's primary functions is to promote cell regeneration and growth. It stimulates the production of new cells, tissues, and organs, supporting overall growth and development in children and adolescents. HGH is crucial in maintaining healthy tissues, repairing damaged cells, and supporting metabolic processes such as fat metabolism and energy production in adults. HGH deficiency can have significant impacts on physical development and overall health. In children, HGH deficiency can lead to growth retardation, delayed puberty, and short stature. In adults, HGH deficiency may result in decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, reduced bone density, and impaired cognitive function. Additionally, HGH deficiency can contribute to metabolic imbalances, such as insulin resistance and dyslipidemia, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease and other health complications. Snoring is a common sleep-related issue characterized by noisy breathing during sleep, often caused by obstructed airways or nasal congestion. While snoring may seem harmless, it can sometimes be a symptom of underlying sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea, which can significantly affect health and well-being. Common causes of snoring include relaxed throat muscles, excess weight, nasal congestion, and anatomical factors like a deviated septum. In some cases, snoring may be exacerbated by sleeping positions, alcohol consumption, or smoking. In obstructive sleep apnea, snoring is often accompanied by episodes of breathing cessation due to the collapse of the airway, leading to oxygen desaturation and fragmented sleep. Central sleep apnea, on the other hand, involves a lack of respiratory effort due to impaired brain signaling. Addressing snoring and sleep apnea is crucial for overall well-being and health. Untreated sleep apnea can lead to a range of health complications, including cardiovascular disease, hypertension, cognitive impairment, and metabolic disorders. Chronic snoring can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to daytime fatigue, irritability, and impaired cognitive function. By recognizing the connection between snoring and sleep apnea and their effects on health, individuals can take proactive steps to address underlying sleep issues and improve their overall well-being. Seeking medical evaluation, lifestyle modifications, and treatment options such as continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP, therapy can help manage snoring and sleep apnea, promoting better sleep quality and long-term health outcomes. The discussion on sleep apnea, growth hormone levels, human growth hormone, HGH, and snoring highlights the interconnectedness of these factors and their impact on overall health and well-being. Snoring can be a symptom of underlying sleep disorders like sleep apnea, which can have detrimental effects on health, including cardiovascular disease, cognitive impairment, and metabolic disorders. Addressing snoring and sleep apnea is essential for improving sleep quality and well-being. Seeking professional help, undergoing sleep studies, and exploring treatment options such as CPAP therapy can help manage sleep apnea and related issues effectively. Viewers are encouraged to prioritize their sleep health and seek medical evaluation if they suspect they have sleep apnea or related issues.